Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, if you're limited on space, but you really want to work your muscles, check out this Pilates bar from Better Sense. Now, I've been really wanting a squat rack, but it's just not in the cards right now. But this is a great alternative. It has an adjustable bar and all kinds of resistance bands. So you have two 20-pound, 30-pound, and 40-pound resistance bands that you can use solo or in combination to challenge yourself however much you want. It comes with a sheet with tons of exercise ideas. Now you can use this with the 3 links to make a long bar. This is great to put on your shoulders, load up the weight, and do some squats. It's adjustable right here, so depending on what exercise you're doing, you'll find that you need to either lengthen or shorten. It also comes with handles, and so it's got a really nice cushiony grip, but these also double as foot stirrups. So you can put your foot in the bottom half of this for any leg exercises or just to ground yourself. It comes with this little guy which slips in the door, you close the door, and then you have a great anchor point. So you can do high, low, midpoint. It comes with a handy little sign too, so if you happen to be in an area where somebody might walk in on you, that could be dangerous, so they do provide that. It all breaks down nicely and comes in this carrying case. So if you are traveling, it takes up almost no room at all, but you can get a full body workout. They do have height recommendations, so check it out since of course you are a little limited, but it is adjustable and will suit most people. So if you're looking to work your muscles, this does work. I have been sore for days. It's comfortable and I'm happy with the quality and I'm sure you will be too, and that's my point of view.